Guys, welcome back to my channel Gadgets for today. I want to show you how to install the new Corvus V4.5 for the Poco F1. So a lot of you guys are asking what's the best ROM for the Poco F1 and is it stable or not. So in this video I want to tell you how to install plus my review on this ROM. So let's get started. Before you start, please subscribe to my channel and let's get to the video. First of all, let me show you the ROM smoothness. As you can see, when I open phone contacts, it's like the almost pixel experience, guys. You can't guess it. As you can see, when I can switch apps. So guys, you can see it's like so smooth. And when I go to the settings, let me go to the Android 10, and you can see here Corvus V4.510 and the kernel is Lauren 60Hz. So let's get into the video, and let me show you the PUBG gameplay on my Poco F1. As you can see, guys, the gameplay is so smooth. We are getting the full 60 FPS in this, and as you can see, there is no lag or anything in this. PUBG is so smooth in this Corvus V4.5 plus the Lauren kernel. As you can see, I have recorded with A to Z screen recorder, so that, and in this with this recorder in the Play Store, I am unable to record the default audio in the game, so don't worry for this. But the gameplay is so smooth, guys. You can get, as you can see, when lag or no renders anything in this room, and the best stable room ever. As you can see, like so smooth, can't even imagine, guys. Direct 60 FPS unlocked, renders or lags, anything in this room. As you can see, this is the Poco F1 Corvus V4.5 plus Lauren kernel, 60 FPS unlocked, guys. There is no lag or anything. So I will get to the installation video right now, so don't get worried. I can show you once like how's the smoothness of this ROM. You can see Poco branding and Lauren kernel. Full 60 FPS, guys. There is nothing to worry like this. As you can see, let me walk and show you the smoothness. See, guys, there is no lag or anything in this. One second, I'm recording with the one phone. So see, guys, there is no lag or anything in this ROM. We can shoot. You can see the new Miramar update. So cool, right?
Hello.
Let me turn off the voice. You can see pure 60 FPS and like it's enough for the video. I've shown a lot about PUBG. Let me jump. Sorry video, and let's go to the installation video. Apple Pay is working. Let me show you. Google Pay is working. It's working. Let me show you. 1 minute. As you can see, I can make the payments. The Google Pay is working, and let me show you the, even some people are asking banking. I didn't log in, and even I have installed the Yono app in this. As you can see, even this app is also working. So everything is working. The routed access. So let me go to here. 1 minute. As you can see, modules, and here I have the base V thermal V fast charging Poco F1. So now let's go to the installation video. Before that, open Play Store, go to Telegram, and install this and open search in this, let me once search in this Gadgets Info Tech. This is the website guys, Gadgets Info Tech, and here I have pasted everything, the ROM link, everything. So as you can see, let's get into the installation video. First you need to install this, the website, and as you can see, download this stable Poco F1 latest firmware file. After downloading it, I have already downloaded it in my download folder, so I am not going to download it again. Go to the Magisk, just press this and it will install in your phone. I mean, it will download in your directory. And again, then base thermal, just go here and just download it. It will also download automatically, and I will give the ROM link direction installation. And here's the Lorem kernel I have placed here. As you can see, you can download it direct from here, and I have placed the 4 files, the bench thermal, Lorem kernel plus latest firmware file, and is a magic zip. So download these 4 files, and now let's download the main ROM. Just go to here and paste the link. As you can see, here is a Corvus virus. Don't go for v4.7, just go for v4.5 and just press this, as you can see, and it will download automatically. So these are the one file you should have to download this and place in your directory of your internal storage. I have already downloaded, and I'm not downloading again. So let me go to my file section. And one more thing, it's the latest Gcam. I have taken great photos on my Poco F1. As you can see, the photos are really great and the best Gcam guys. We have even the stable Gcam for this. So let's go into my installation part, and before you go, make sure you have downloaded all the files that I have mentioned in the video. Let me go again and tell you, like search Telegram. In this, first download the latest firmware. I have already placed here latest firmware plus magic zip plus Lorem kernel, bench thermal, and the ROM. So let's get into the video. So let's boot into the TWRP recovery guys. Let's get in the installation video. First of all, power off your device, and after that just press power key plus the volume up button to go to the recovery. So I am pressing at the same time. As you can see, power plus volume up. Just press power plus volume up at the same time, and you will guys go to the recovery. Done it. So you guys no need to worry. Just go to wipe, go to advanced wipe, go to Dalvik cache system data. You need not wipe internal storage because all the files are in your internal storage, so don't wipe this, and swipe to wipe. As you can see, it will wipe the data. And let's go back to the ROM installation. Just go to the installation up level, and where I have downloaded the ROM, just go to the ROM file, and let's flash the Poco F1 firmware file. Swipe up to flash. It may take up to 2 seconds or 5 seconds maximum, and after that flash this Corvus v4.5 and confirm to flash. So it may take up to 2 to 3 minutes to flash the firmware file, and the next you need to flash the Corvus v4.5 ROM file. So let it take a minute. I will come back again. It will show again. So nothing to worry guys. Patching vendor image unconditionally. After that, let's flash the Lorem kernel. So first you need to flash, I am saying again, the firmware file, the ROM file, and the Lorem kernel. And let's go to install. Let's go to the download section, and as you can see, flash Lorem 60Hz kernel and swipe up to flash, and it has been flashed successfully. You will not need to worry anything. And after that, let's flash the Magisk where I have downloaded it. let's flash Magisk file. It will flash Magisk and just reboot. You need not flash the bench thermal in this. So first you need to flash the firmware file, the Corvus v4.5 ROM file, and the Lauren kernel and the Magisk file, and just reboot system. Do not install, and boom, as you can see the logo Poco by Xiaomi unlocked. Finally the ROM is getting booted, so don't get panic. As you can see the Corvus ROM is finally ready. Yep, we are done with the ROM. So let me skip this and let's go to the final step. Just it will take a while and it will be back. So yep, it's back, and it will take up to 30 seconds because we need to flash the bench thermal. So and let's go tap here and let's go to modules and add the zip file, allow the permissions and select this. Extracting module, setting permissions, done. It has been installed successfully, and then reboot, guys. Here as you can see the reboot. Let's go to the Magisk and let's go to the module section. You can see bench thermal has been installed successfully, and if you want to hide Magisk, go to the settings. There is nothing to worry, and you can hide Magisk from detection. Like if you install the Google Play, Phone Pay, anything, SBI apps, bank apps, everything will work. So guys, this is the installation video, and let me go to the settings and show you the themes. Let me show you the system theme. I'm installing a pitch black. So there are and let me go to the Lauren. As you can see, there are various modes for this. Lock screen, status bar. Best ROM, guys, it's the best ROM. And let me go to the about phone, Android 10C, 10 version, Lauren kernel, and let me go back again. Let me go to the gestures. Let me go to the gesture navigation. This is the best, we can use it. So smooth and best stable ROM, and the battery backup is 7 hours short. It gives easily 7 hours short, guys. So please like and share and subscribe to my channel, guys.